China's economy will stay on a steady course with fairly fast growth. The Chinese economy is still operating within a proper range. It grew by 7% in the first half of the year, and this growth rate remains one of the highest in the world. This has not come by easily given the complex and volatile situation in the world economy. At present, all economies are facing difficulties, and our economy is also under downward pressure. But this is only a problem in the course of progress. We will take coordinated steps to achieve stable growth, deepen reform, adjust the structure, improve livelihood, and prevent risks, while strengthening and innovating macro regulation to keep the growth at a medium to high rate. Currently, China is continuing to move forward in its new type of industrialization, digitalization, urbanization, and agricultural modernization. With a high savings rate, a huge consumption potential, hardworking population, and a rising proportion of middle-income people, now we have 300 million middle-income earners in China. China enjoys an enormous space for its services sector to grow in terms of the market size and potential. China will focus more on improving the quality and the efficiency of economic growth and accelerating the shift of growth model and adjustment in economic structure. We will lay greater emphasis on innovation and consumption-driven growth. In this way, we will solve the problem of unbalanced, uncoordinated, and unsustainable development and enable the Chinese economy to successfully transform itself and maintain strong momentum of growth. Recent abnormal ups and downs in China's stock market has caused wide concern. Stock prices fluctuate in accordance with their inherent laws, and it is the duty of the government to ensure an open, fair, and just market order and prevent massive panic from happening. This time, the Chinese government took steps to stabilize the market and contain panic in the stock market, and thus avoided a systemic risk. Mature markets in various countries have tried similar approaches. Now, China's stock market has reached the phase of self-recovery and self-adjustment. On the 11th of August, China moved to improve its RMB central parity quotation mechanism, giving the market a greater role in determining the exchange rate. Our efforts have achieved initial success in correcting the exchange rate deviation. Given the economic and financial situation at home and abroad, there is no basis for continuous depreciation of the RMB. We will stick to the purpose of our reform to have the exchange rate decided by market supply and demand and allow the RMB to float both ways. We are against competitive depreciation or currency war. We will not lower the RMB exchange rate to boost export. To develop the capital market and improve the market-based pricing mechanism of the RMB exchange rate is the direction of our reform. This will not be changed by the recent fluctuation in the stock market or the stock market.